Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Hello guys, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today, we're here in my room. We're going to unboxing my new, I don't know, it's 21 or 18 carats of gold ring. Ayan, ring with peridots. So guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So yan guys, di ba? So yan guys, diretso na natin. Let us continue. So, you know guys, somebody in my birthday, ayan, they have some Geburtstag, what is this? Ayan guys, Geburtstag, it's mean I am birthday. Somebody sponsor me in my birthday. Ayan, for Dix eine Farmause. Ayan, for Dix eine Farmause. Ibig sabihin, para daw sa akin, what do you call it? Hey, little mouse for you. O, ayan guys, did you hear? So guys, I'm very happy somebody sponsor me. This is kind of ring. Ayan guys, this is peridot, 18 carats of gold. Ayan guys, o diba? Mamahalin siya, remember? Charot. So guys, I show you, diba? Pakita ko sa inyo what is inside, okay? So, lapitan natin para much better so you can see better what is inside of these little bags for the birthday gifts for me. The one of the expensive gift I ever had. Ayan. So guys, let's open now. Okay. So, let us make. There we go guys. Ayan, little mouse. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let us 1, 2, 3. Oh my God guys. Ayan. So, ayan nakasulat guys. Ayan. 18 carats of gold. Ayan. 18 carats of gold. O, diba? 18 carats. Ang ganda ng box, guys. O, diba? It is open. Ayan, guys. Open na natin siya. So, there we go, guys. So, ayan. As you can see, diba? Wow! Oh my God, guys. Ayan. Pakita natin. So, ayan, guys. Nakasulat doon is 18 carats of gold. O, diba? So, hindi ko masyado siyang, I cannot read better because it's too small. But anyway, guys, ayan. So, I don't know if you can see that. I show you guys. So, did you see? No. But anyway, guys, this is peridot, a real peridot. Ayan, guys. Like this, oh, I have a peridot here. So, this is, guys, like this, my necklace. This is the real peridot. See, oh, diba? You will see the stone, it's very clear. Oh, clear siya. So, it means this is peridots. And, of course, I have this. The peridots with diamond. Oh, ayan. Diamond, little diamond in the middle. So, ayan, guys. Because this is my birthstone, the peridot. So, ayan. Meron tayong gift. A little bit. There we go, guys. Oh, did you see? The stone. Oh, diba? Very clear. So you will see the peridot. It's really clear and beautiful. O, diba? Yan. This is real peridot. Diba? Ayan, guys. Let us try. Let us put in my finger. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Diba? Very pretty. So, guys, 18 carats of gold. So, ayan guys, I have also my cutics like a green. Because I love green, you know that, the peridots. Green is my favorite, guys. And I show you one bracelet is a peridot also. O, diba? So, ayan guys. So, let us put, oh my God, guys, ayan. So, ayan, guys, nakita nyo, diba, kumikinang siya. There are, he is, diba, very shining. Ayan, guys, diba, maganda siya. 18 carats of gold. O, diba, ginto siya, guys. Most beautiful ever have the ring. O, diba? Beautiful. And one more thing, guys. Ayan. I have also the bracelet peridot. Ayan. This is peridot too, guys. Diba? Ang inyong alindog, mahilig sa peridot. Diba? Beautiful ang aking ring. So, guys, can you please write below if my peridot ring is beautiful or not. Ayan. So, thank you for my sponsor. Ayan, guys. My sponsor is Secret. Ayan, guys. One of my sugar daddies. Diba? One of my sugar daddies. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, ayan, guys. So, we are complete. We have already the ring and necklace, of course, ang necklace, di ba? Peridot. And of course, ang ating, di ba? We have, ay, my God. We have our diamond peridot also. So, ayan, guys. I show you only my unboxing peridot ring. So, di ba? So guys, ayan, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to smile. Always, I told you, be happy. Ayan, guys. Diba, ang ganda-ganda, really. Promise, I love my peridot. Diba? What can you say, guys? Before I will end, ayan. So thank you, guys. Thank you sa aking mga members. Ayan, Quartz. Thank you, Quartz. And Room Fan, thank you. Ayan, Ray Dulce, Cindy Labin London, sino pa ba? And ayan, Sabi, ayan, thank you. And of course, ayan, from my OnlyFans, the guy who always give me too much, ayan, Marvin, ich liebe dich. So, guys, bye. Don't forget to smile. Hi, ayan, guys, balik na natin. Let us use now, okay? So I show you guys before I will end. Ayan, I will show you na mahilig ako sa mga furlas also. I will show you also my fur, guys. This is only the pearls that I use every day. So I show you only before I will end, guys. Ayan, my all fur. Ayan, guys, this is the fur. O, diba, fa? This is 3 colors from pearl. At ito, yung double fur. O, diba? Ganyan siya, guys. Beautiful. At ayan. Yung kulay gold na fur. Well, by the way, guys, thank you. Ayan, nagpakita na naman ako ng mga anik-anik ko. So, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Mwah!